I have to mention that at NZO, we developed a feature that automatically tags your resources recursively and knows which resources are taggable and not taggable. And then the second, when the developer finished that feature, he said, "Hey, I think we should just open source it. It's not just for us. Anybody can use it without being an NZO customer." And so we did. So I think it has. And if that developer would not have said that,
Probably wouldn't have thought of
well,
it.
Yep.
yeah,
Never would've
it
came
would
to
not
mind.
be some focus of us. So I
Mhm.
think eventually the great things that happen are eventually go bottoms up, from the
Yeah.
developers, the ideas from the developers. And I think if we look now compared to 5 years ago, I'm sure that 5 years ago we would not have thought about let's open source that because it was not something that people used to do. But now I think it is increasing, I think, that trend of open sourcing some modules, some frameworks, any reusable code. I think it's
Yeah.
a good opportunity. There is the GitHub star,
GitHub
the
stars. Yeah.
GitHub stars. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's kind of an incentive now for developers to do those kind of things. And you can also give money and donate to a
Mhm.
successful developer
Yeah.
on GitHub. And now also a company can do that and not just an individual user. So I think all in all, the right things are happening in order to promote and advocate in that direction. But some things take time, I guess.